Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges, Standard 6th, Subject Geography, Lesson number 7, Rocks and Rock Types. What are rocks? Rocks are found on land surface and also below it. Rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural process in the lithosphere. The properties of rocks depend on the constituent minerals and their proportion as well as on the formation process. Silica, aluminium, magnesium and iron are the major rock forming minerals. There are other minerals too in the different rocks. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from magma, which is a molten material found deep into the earth. As these rocks are formed out of the material from the interior of the earth, these are also referred as primary rocks. Mostly these rocks appear hard and homogeneous. Basalt and pumice rocks are examples of igneous rocks. Maharashtra Plateau and the Sahyadris are formed out of igneous rocks. Due to continuous variation in the temperature, rocks develop cracks. Similarly, the water percolating through the rocks dissolve the soluble minerals. This leads to the weathering of rocks. They get decomposed. They get reduced to pieces. These rock particles get transported by rivers, glaciers, wind towards low-lying areas and are deposited there. One after the other, layers of sediments get deposited in this way. The upper layer exert heavy pressure on the lower layers. This leads to compaction of material and development of sedimentary rocks. The example of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone, shale, corals. The sedimentary rocks are generally brittle and lightweight. Most of them are porous. Metamorphic rocks. Volcanic activity and other earth movement constantly take place on the earth. While these are occurring, the igneous or sedimentary rocks in that region are subjected to tremendous pressure and heat. This leads to changes in the nature as well as chemical composition of the original rocks. The crystal in the original rocks get recrystallized. This means the rocks get metamorphosized. The rocks formed through such a process is called metamorphic rocks. These rocks do not contain fossils. These rocks are heavy and hard. When limestone is subjected, pressurized and heat and metamorphosized, it turns into marble. It is a type of metamorphic rock. Another example, coal gets metamorphosized when it undergoes heavy pressure and intense heat. After coal, it gets into diamond. Its price increases. We burn coal while we use diamond as ornaments. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains or marks of plants and animals that lived a very long time ago. They are usually found in rocks and stone. Fossils are important because they tell us a story about things that lived on the earth before us. In other way, fossils, the buried remains of dead animals or plants, become subject to heavy pressure. As a result, their impressions get marked in the rocks. At times, the buried animals or plants get petrified. These are called fossils. The study of fossils provides information about the life in that period. The Taj Mahal at Agra is built in marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock. This rock was brought from mines in Makrana in Rajasthan. One realizes while taking a boat ride in river Narmada through Beda Ghat in Gorge in Madhya Pradesh that the river has cut its gorge through marble rock. The basalt rock in Maharashtra, formed out of volcanic eruption, has spread over a vast region. Granite rock is found in eastern part and in South Konkan. Laterite is found in South Konkan.